What's up, everybody? So today won't be very eventful, but be something. So today I have headers that I already started just to see how it would come out, just to see if I could get a product that I'll be okay with. They're a little beat. They were on an East Coast car, so um, gonna have to just do what I can and make them look as best as possible. So I'll probably just throw in some time lapses and just make it, just do what I can, explain as much as I can. All right, I'll give you guys a look at them right here, and then we'll get right into it. All right. So this is the part that I already did. So I sanded a lot of this header with 180 grit. As you can see, I still have a lot of work to go. Although it's pretty hard because certain spots, I'm pretty sure oil or something dropped on right here. It's gonna sand away. I just don't think it's worth the time. So I'm just gonna kind of focus on from the connector all the way up. Just kind of get from here up, and this is whatever, because it looks like there was oil on here or something, because it's really smooth, but it's on there. It will come out, see right here, but it's just a lot of work. I had to put a lot of effort into that, and from here down, I guess it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to get it looking good enough to where I'm not putting them on so it's shitty. But I'm just wet sanding right now with 180. I'm gonna get the top of the headers and then kind of underneath in this middle tube right here. Other than that, the rest looks pretty good. Alright guys, so here is basically the final product. I mean, these things obviously are not perfect, but if you guys can have any idea, remember what these looked like before I even started this process. It was pretty bad, but I could show the other ones, but I'm gonna throw over there. So this is, I think, where I'm gonna leave them. I'm gonna try and get a different polish so I can see if it works a little better. The compound that I got doesn't really work that well. It's hard to use, and it's not very, it doesn't do a great job. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get different polish, try that. If it works out better, I'll redo the whole thing, get more down here. But all this is just just from, obviously I couldn't get in here, but that must have been oil or something. The car that they were on had a leaky valve cover gasket, but I got them, pretty shiny compared to what they were before, so I'm pretty happy with them. This is kind of more how if they were perfect, it would look almost like that, but it's hard to, with the tools that I got at the moment, to get them perfect. But here's how I'm gonna leave those. I'm just gonna clean up this piece real quick. This is staying like that because it's not coming off, but I'm just gonna clean up this mating surface. Probably gonna cut this bung off, put a new one. All right, guys, here we are. Not 100%, all right? I'll admit it. But compared to what these were, I say they came out pretty fucking fire, all right? I'm going to go to the store tomorrow or Tuesday, see if I can find a different type of polish. I know I've said it multiple times before, but the one I had just doesn't work. It doesn't work very well. It's hard to use. So I'm going to go to the store, see if I can find a new polish, and then, you know, polish these all up, get them looking even more shiny. And then I have another video coming. I got new fenders for Miley, so those will be going on because the car is going to getting repaired and repainted, like the area that needs to get repainted real soon. And when that gets fixed, the new fenders will be on the car, along with getting repainted by the same guy. So yeah, here we are. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna have, you know, content coming out as much as I can, doing as much as I can during the quarantine. I'm limited on parts, supplies, everything, so doing best what I can. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good one. And